But unfortunately, after these beef sticks, we're basically
out of food, and we got a blizzard.
there's no airplane coming. There is no rescue. We are on our own.
We need to fish, but unfortunately, the snow is wet. We go out, get soaking wet. Even if we're catching fish, it just becomes extremely dangerous.
We're gonna be going all the way back to that fishing hole to catch fish, and we have to assume that when we come back, somebody's gonna have hypothermia.
What?
That means you guys have to have hot water ready to go. Basically like an emergency station ready. It's very dangerous.
All right, let's go.
All jokes aside, I know the boys. And if